Hey guys, hey, it's your girl Peta-Gaye here. Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time of day you are watching today's vlog. Right now I'm at the ATM. I'm about to put some money in my account. I am running some errands today. I look like Saturday running errands look. That's how I'm dressed for today. It's Saturday, I'm about to run some errands and I look the part. I'll come back to you guys. So it's an errand running Saturday and I got a few things and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I'm going to show you guys a quick haul. So I went to ATM first, and I went to the grocery store, and then I went to the beauty store. Got way more than I planned to get at the beauty store, but I'm going to show you guys all the items that I got. So let's get into this quick grocery haul. So I got some Quaker oats for my husband. I got two cans of coconut water, and I got some whipped cream. I've never tried an Oak Farms whipped cream brand before, but the ones that I usually get, they only had the small size, and I didn't want the small size, so that was the biggest size they have. And then I got Journey 2 bottles of milk, and then I got Jeremiah some corn dog. Jeremiah hates corn dog. And then we are out of dishwashing liquid, so I got that. Is this dishwashing liquid? Yeah, it is. So I got that because I was out. And then I got some spice bun. I got some turkey pepperoni. I have a cheese pepperoni at home, and my youngest does not eat cheese pizza. My oldest does. So I bought the pepperoni so I could put it on there so I can make it half and half. And then I got 2 bags of the Mission Home Style flour tortillas. And then I've never tried this flavor before, this bubbly flavor, Andre Peach. So I wanted to try that. Hopefully it tastes good. I am a big fan of Andre, so I know it should. And then let me show you guys what I got from the hair store. One of the hair that I got, it was the last one in stock, so I got a 10% discount, which is the $4.50. $4.50, yeah. And then let me show you what I got. So I've always wanted some head scarf, so I went and got this one. It's an edge lane scarf. I like the color, it's really cute. I didn't even realize it said it was a hedge lane scarf. I thought it was just a regular scarf. Man, it's so hot in here. I paid $2.99 for that. I really like this. It's really cute. It's giving luxury. And then that's part of the reason why I picked it, because it looked like it was giving luxury. I liked it. So I bought this satin wrap scarf. I paid $4.99 for this one. Really cute. Y'all, my nose is itching so badly. If you guys keep seeing me itching my nose, scratching my nose. And then I got this wig, and it has different colors. So it has like yellow, pink, it's gray, green, gorgeous, and an orangey color. So it's a lace front, so you guys will see me make a video of that on my channel. I have a company that is sending me a wig as well, but I'm just waiting on them to send me that. I could swear I got a, because I know I got another headband. So I got this Keisha Cole top knot turban. I saw one in there on one of their wig display, and I was like, it's really cute. Let me go get it. So it has what looks like a rose of flowers at the front. This is how it looks, and I paid $5.99 for it. And then last but not least, I was getting ready to leave and saw this, and I had to get it. It is so gorgeous. The original price is $50 something, and I got it on discount for $44 I think. But it is so cute. It is a pink. It's from the Dashley. It's a HD lace, but it's really cute. It's T2 fuchsia lace front. Can't wait to try that. So I'm about to head to Walgreens right now to go get my birth control, because I only have one left for tomorrow, which is Sunday. Today is Saturday, so I need to go get a refill. So that's what I'm headed to do right now. I don't know what else we are doing today. I did tell my husband I wanted to go to the mall, but he probably would have said yes to going if he wasn't the one that was driving. But because he's the one that have to drive, he doesn't want to go. So I don't know what the plan is. Hi, can I get a green matcha tea venti with vanilla syrup and pistachio cold foam? Ain't nothing on there.
No, it's mommy. Look, it's the car to Starbucks.
Yeah, with vanilla syrup, and that will be it.
Could I get a name?
Peta, P-E-T-A. Alright, thank you. Y'all, I think my camera is dying, but I went back to Starbucks. If you watched my last vlog, you would have seen that I got the
Now we didn't see a vlog. We didn't see a vlog.
Why he got a handcuff on the dashboard of his car? I got the green matcha.
Yeah, guys, let's subscribe and like.
Green matcha latte with pistachio cream foam and vanilla syrup.
And comment, and yeah.
This tastes so good. I feel like they be cheating me because my drink ain't all the way up. I feel like they steal some of my drink from me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey guys, so I made it home and I wanted to share with you guys a quick haul. Journey, you're gonna break my stuff. I wanted to share with you guys a quick haul that I just got. I went to City Trends and Journey giving me the first item that I got, which are these cute pumps. I got them on sale for $9. Really cute. I really like them. This is how the eels are. So cute. Damn. I just realized he didn't take the sensor off. I don't know if I can take it off myself. I don't think so. It's lifting up. Oh, my phone about to die. Okay, so I'm gonna have to struggle with that. But I went and got a few colognes. One of them that I wanted to get, I didn't get because it didn't have a barcode on it, so he wasn't able to scan it. So let me show you the ones I got. So the first one I want to show you is this. It is called Rain's Secret, and I paid $2.99 for it. It's 6 o'clock. I set my alarm so I can know when to go take my birth control. And I take my birth control every day at 6:05. Well, I try to. Yeah, so this is the first cologne I got. And then the other one, same brand, Rain's Secret, but different color. I don't know what the name of the I know that the brand is Rain's Secret, I think, but I don't know what the actual flavoring, whatever you call it, I don't know. And then the next one I got is Pink So Sexy. This one I paid $3.99. If you're not new to this channel, or if you're new, then let me tell you, I am very frugal. And this year, 2023, I'm even more frugal because I have goals. I have goals, and it does not include me breaking the bank buying stuff. This bottle is so cute. Pink So Sexy. I didn't get to smell it actually. Let's see. Ooh, I love the smell. That's gorgeous. I like this. So this is how it looks. Really cute. Pink So Sexy. Let me turn this around. So that's really cute. And then I bought this 3-pack and I paid $9.99 for it. I like the package. I like how cute it looks. And it's Ladies Kiss First. It has 3 in the box. I don't even know how you open it. It says let your love linger. I don't even know how you open this to be honest. Oh, I guess I can just take this off and I get access to them. So 3 comes in the pack. Really cute. Let's smell it. Ooh, it smells so good. So today on Amazon I purchased a stand for my cologne. So when I get it, I'll show it to you guys. This smells good too. Smells really good. So this one is called Heartbreaker, and this one is called Fallen Angel, and then this one is Whirlwind. Smells good. So I'm hoping they last, because it's one thing them smelling good, but if you put it on and the smell doesn't last long, then you know, you already know that sucks. But yeah, that's cute. I need to take a picture of this for my thumbnail. I can throw it in a box. So the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is a watch that I purchased for $9.99. It's really cute. I don't have any watch at all, and it says Queen on the side, and then right here it actually has a crown. It's really pretty. I wish they had it in silver, just because most of my jewelry is silver, except for my this ring that my husband bought me. I haven't worn a watch in a long time that I don't remember which hand I usually wear watches in. I think it's my right hand, because I'm right-handed. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm not trying to put it on right now. This is how it looks. Real cute. Let me do it like this so you guys can see better. Yeah, but really cute. I really like it. It says Queen. I wish they had it in silver. But I'm thinking to go back and get another watch that I saw them have. It is a watch and it says Virgo on it. If you don't know, my sign is Virgo. I'm August baby, and it comes with a bracelet as well, a tennis bracelet, and it comes with something else, and all of them says Virgo on it, and it comes with an earring. So I think it's a tennis bracelet and an earring. So I was like, that's cute, and I think I want to get it. But I don't know. Maybe I'll go back and get it, maybe not. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my little mini haul of, you know, some items that I got today. My boys right now are with their grandma. Journey is in here with me. She's talking up a storm. So the boys are with their grandma. She asked if she could keep them for the night, and I did not hesitate at all. Let her have them so they can give me a break and go mess with her. So yeah, I am about to go chill with my husband, chill with Journey, watch New Amsterdam, drink some alcohol, and just enjoy the rest of the night. So I'll be careful, Journey. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. So don't mind my head, I'm getting ready for the day, but I wanted to let you guys know what I'm doing right now. So I am prepping dinner, and I just finished cleaning the oxtail. I used some vinegar to wash it. So now I'm gonna season it, and I'm using black pepper. I'm using oxtail seasoning. I'm using browning to give it color, and I'm using some salt-free Mrs. Dash because my husband not supposed to really be eating salt, so I'm not seasoning up the meat like I used to, and put all my onion powder, garlic powder, all of that stuff. I won't be using that. So I did cut all the fat off the oxtail, which is right here. So now I was making breakfast, so I made some cinnamon rolls, but I don't feel like making anything else with it. I have to go on the road to run some errands, so I'm dressed right now. I have this black turtleneck on that I got from Fashion Nova, and then I got this leggings on. I don't know if you guys can see properly, that I got from City Trends, and then shoes from Walmart. I'm contemplating if I want to record a Sunday reset today, but I don't know. I mean, my house is a mess. It's a mess. So I don't know. I'll think about it. I do have to go pick up the boys. They're gonna go to church with my mom, and then I pick them up afterwards. So yeah, I'm about to finish prep dinner and then see what else I need to get done for today. Good morning, baby girls. Good morning, baby boys. I think I probably told you guys good morning already, because I think I started a vlog earlier this morning. So I just went to go drop off a job application, and then now I'm on my way to see if the nail salon is open. I need to do my eyebrows, and then I think I want to go to Dollar Tree to go get some new towels, some new new dish towels and stuff, because the ones I got are old and I need to switch them out. And then I gotta go get my sons from their granny. She took them to church with her, so I'm gonna pick them up and then head back home and chill until it's pretty much time to cook dinner. I was recording a Sunday reset. I'm not finished. I gotta go home and finish doing that. I did most of it, but I still have just a little bit left to do. So yeah, that's how my Sunday has been so far. I hope you guys are having a good day. As always, thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Peta-Gaye, and I just share my everyday life. So hope that is something that you guys enjoy, because I enjoy sharing my life with you. So yeah, let me go into Dollar Tree right now. I think they should be open at 10, and get the dish towels that I need.
Much later.
Hey y'all, so I am about to run to the nail salon real quick to get my eyebrows done. I completely forgot to bring my camera, so this is the before, and I'll show you guys the after.
close your eye, honey. No, 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 no. You can you need to close your eye.
So this is the after of how my eyebrow look. So now I'm about to head to City Trends because I have to return the shoes for them to take the tag off. Because when I bought it yesterday, the dude did not take the tag off it, the sensor off it. So I need that taken off. So I completely forgot. What the hell is he doing a whole wheelie in the middle of the street? Okay then, dude. He riding a four-wheeler and doing a whole wheelie on the road. I forgot how painful it is to get a wax. I wonder how painful it is to wax your armpit and your lady parts and your legs. I've never waxed those area before. I've only ever waxed my eyebrows. So I don't know. I wonder if it's really painful as much as how it's painful when you do your eyebrows. Sound like I'm getting a cold. Can hear how my voice sound raspy. Sound like I'm getting a cold.
The next day.
I really think it's so cute. I've never worn a hair this short before. I've worn my hair short, but yeah, I've worn my hair this short before. Yeah, when I cut off all my hair. But I am definitely loving this. It is cute. It's definitely a everyday wig. This is definitely a good wig for every day. I'm about to head on the road, so I'm definitely going to be rocking this. I will say it sheds a lot. It sheds a lot more than I was expecting. And yeah, it's a lot of shedding, but it is cute. I'm getting ready to head on the road. I am about to do my makeup. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy, just do a simple beat. And I wanted to do my makeup trying my El Maquillage woke up like this foundation. I tried it the other day, but I was moving so fast that I really did not get to spend time to see how it works. Little girl. So I want to do that this morning. It's now 11 o'clock. I am getting ready to head on the road. So I'm about to get my face together. I got my eyebrows done yesterday, as you guys saw in the vlog. So yeah, let's get my beat together. Y'all, I'm putting on my makeup. And Journey took the brush and she started wiping it on her nose. So I told her, let me do it for her. This is one of the reasons why I always wanted a girl. So we can start wearing makeup together and doing nails. Y'all, I've been creating content all day and I went on the road, ran some errands, but I forgot my camera at home on the tripod because I was busy doing some stuff. So I just made it back home. I was busy creating content this morning, so I completely forgot to bring my camera. So you guys missed out on spending the day with me outside of the house. But I want to show you something that I got from Walmart. I needed a new makeup palette. And I saw this and I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. So I got this palette from Walmart. It's Profusion Cosmetics and it's a neon, it's a 10 shade palette. It has different names, but whenever I'm using it, I'll show you guys. But one of the reasons why I really want it, other than the fact that it has a bunch of bright colors, is the red. I have been looking for red eyeshadow for the longest, and I remember when somebody used to tell me that it was hard. They didn't make red eyeshadow because of pigmentation or something to that sort. It's been a minute, so I don't remember what she said, but I was definitely glad that I saw that they started making red eyeshadow, and I got me one. So I'm about to scan my receipts for my Fresh Rewards. It's now what time is it? It's 3:02. Today's the 20th. So today's President's Day. The kids are home with me. 2 out of 3 is sleeping right now. And I'm about to go eat my Cobb salad that I got from Walmart because I'm hungry. I took the kids to McDonald's. I went to Chick-fil-A and got my frosted lemonade. And then I went to Starbucks and got a green matcha. I know I'm doing too much. But that is what I wanted. So that is what I got. So yeah, I'm about to upload these clips to my computer. I have to hold the camera a certain angle because of the lighting. But I'm about to go upload today's clips from the reels I made. I made reels. I made TikTok. I did a bunch of things today. I did do this makeup look. I did the hair look. I have to watch the makeup video back and see if I like it before I even decide to post it. It's so hot right now. I need to go turn my heat on. It's hot. So not my heat, my AC on. So I don't know. I have to watch it and see. I'm gonna go watch some YouTube videos, see what the girlies are posting. What? Okay. So I'm gonna go see what the girlies are posting. I'm checking my email. I have message to respond to. I have this wig that I'm wearing right now. I did a collab with a company, and they sent me a couple wigs, so this was one of them. So I did the video this morning. So I am about to go relax, eat, because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. I've been on the road most of the day, so I want to go chillax. I'm about to take this wig off. It is super easy to come off. So yeah, let me go scan these to my Fetch. If you guys don't have Fetch, check Fetch out. You get free reward, free points every time you scan your receipt. For every 10,000 or 5,000 points you get rewards. So I'm about to scan mine. I just cashed out one of my rewards for a Starbucks gift card, because who doesn't love Starbucks, right? If you've never tried Starbucks, try Starbucks. Starbucks is good. I'm obsessed with Starbucks. Well, I'm not obsessed like some of these girlies are obsessed, but I love a good Starbucks drink. So yeah, let me get to work because I got stuff to do. I completely forgot to show you guys the outfit of the day for today. I'm wearing this top that I got from City Trends. Pants is from City Trends, and I'm just wearing a simple shoes from Walmart. But yeah, this is my look for today. This was supposed to be a tights. It says good vibes. It's supposed to be a tights, but I accidentally bought the wrong size. But still, I like it. It's cute.